Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create a perfect paper animations in CapCut. So first you can start by adding the image that you want to create its paper animation like this. Then just split the image into two. Click on this image like this. Now click on the transition box in between the photos. Find the mask category, then select this paper ball transition. Click on the check icon and now click on the first image and hide it so that it doesn't appear on the screen. And this will be the result for the animation. Okay guys, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, so please give me a like, leave a comment if you have any question, and also click on the thanks button below. I'll see you all on the next tutorial. Thank you.